Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we will do unboxing from Amazon. This is Maono AU-400 Lavalier microphone, which is purchased for 300 rupees from Amazon. Usually the MRP is around 699, but with a discount you get from 299 to 309 rupees, which is cheap while I compare to the other microphones. So this has a good audio quality, reduces noise, good frequency range, omnidirectional, and also light in weight. So you and I both are excited to know what's inside the box. So let me unbox this for you. So this is a good black shimmery pouch with a company's logo on it. This protects the device from dirt, easy to carry, and also good when you're traveling. So let's see what's inside the pouch. Here we go. Okay, so we have 3.5 mm 4-pole mini plug to connect to your laptop or any other device. Since this is a color mic, it has a clip. Yeah, so you can see this is a color mic and it has got a clip which can be attached to your dress, shirt, or any other dress you're wearing. Yeah, that's with a clip. And then you have a 6-feet cable, which is to split the audio between your phone and your earphone. This could also be connected directly to your phone and no installation or configuration required. From the box we have a mic, color clip, 6-feet cable, and 2 instruction manual that shows how to show and so on. So the instruction manual says it's a 2M cable, 3.5 mm plug, it's omnidirectional, and it has got a clip. Okay, the exciting thing about this is I got this for $3.99, exactly half the amount of the MRP. If you are a new YouTuber or want to also looking out for a good mic with low cost, then it is what exactly you're looking for. Also, I've put the link in the description box where you can buy it easily. So hey guys, hope you have liked my video. For more such videos, please subscribe my channel and also give a thumbs up to this video. And let's meet here on the next video. Bye.